Hello everyone, let's go hands-on with the new Start menu that Microsoft is rolling out as a preview on Windows 11 build 26300.8553 in the experimental channel of the Windows Insider program. So let's dive in. Okay, first, the company is updating the Start page to house all the new customization settings. One thing to point out is that the recommended section and recommended settings have been renamed to recent. So this is the new setting that replaces the old recommended in the Start menu and on the Start page. Now, in the layout options, you can now turn each section on and off independently. So for example, if you only want to show pins, we can turn these two toggles, and then we only need to leave the pin section, and then when we go to the Start menu, we're going to see only pins. In the same way, if we only want to show recent content, we just need to turn on this option, and you can also choose what content appears on that recent section. So let me just open the Start menu so you can see all the recent files. You can also disable tips and apps recommendations from the Microsoft Store, and if you want to show only apps, you need to turn on only this option. And now the Start menu shows empty because I don't have any recently added app to the system. Also, for the recent experience, it's important to note that recent files work independently from the recent files in File Explorer or the taskbar. So if you disable recent on the Start menu, more specifically for files, this will not affect the jump list showing recent files in File Explorer and in the taskbar. And finally, if you only want to show the All Apps menu, we can do that. As you can see right here. From here, we can also change the view to grid, so you have access to all the installed apps in a scrollable view. We can also use the legacy list. By default, the Start menu will also show the most used apps, but you can always turn that off as well. Another notable option for the Start menu is the ability to change the size of the Start menu. And with this option right here, now we can choose between the small, large, and the automatic option will keep resizing the Start menu based on the screen resolution and the screen size. So let's just choose the small option so we can have a closer look at the design for the smaller version of the Start menu. One thing to note also is that with these new settings, you can even have an empty Start menu. Finally, if we scroll down, we're going to see that we have a new option that allows us to hide the name and profile picture from Start. So this is a privacy option that Microsoft is adding more specifically for people doing presentations and they don't want to show personal information or a picture. Now, one thing to note is that if you click on the account button, it will still open the profile menu with your personal information. And that's it. Those are the biggest changes that we're going to see right now on the Start menu. It is important to note also that this is still using the web view technology. This is not the WinUI 3 version of the Start menu, which promises to be more responsive and better suited for the operating system. Now, the new version of the Start menu is available on Windows 11 build 26300.8553, and it should be enabled by default. Now, if we go to Windows Update, and then if we go to the feature flags page, unfortunately, we're not going to find an option to force enable that feature. However, if you haven't received that feature after updating your computer, there is a way to turn that on using the Vibe tool. And to do that, I went to this GitHub page, and then I downloaded the latest version for the Vibe tool that corresponds to my computer hardware. And then after downloading the package, I extracted the folder. And one thing I like to do here is to rename the folder to make it easier to locate. And I also like to place the folder in the root of C, as you can see it right here. Now, in order to enable the new settings, I went to the terminal. I run this as an administrator. Then from a command prompt session, I just browse to the folder where I extracted the files. and then I run this particular void tool command. And I do want to say thanks to Phantom of Earth for providing these codes. And then after I started the computer, I was able to find the new start menu settings inside of the settings app. It's important to know that these particular codes are working on this particular preview build, which is 26300.8553. However, this might change in the future. And once the company permanently places the new functionalities into the operating system, it won't be possible to turn them off or turn them on, because they will be permanently enabled in the system. And that's it. That is everything you need to know about the new Start Menu customization settings for Windows 11. Let me know in the comments what you think about all these changes. Like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.